Okay, so I got some brand new wheels here for my Firebird. I already opened two when they came, just to make sure, you know, it's what I got. So I'll go ahead and open these two. These are Vision Nitro wheels, which are basically a Weld Pro Star knockoff. These are the front. This is the front one right here. Let's go ahead and there it is. So there's a front. So these fronts, this is a 15x7 with a 4-inch back spacing. And I'm gonna reuse the tires I have on the car right now, which front is a 215/65. 15. So yeah, these are really nice too, like really nice. So let's do the rear. Okay, so here's a rear. So I went with these because I had this same wheel on the car for like 8 years, and but it had 10s on the back. They were a little too wide, so, and they rubbed a lot in that and kind of got tired of it. So then I got the Vision wheels that are on it now that I'll show you in a second. But with what I'm doing with the car, the gray just isn't gonna work, so I went back to a set of these with the full polished. But this time we got 8s on the back. So there it is. So there's a rear. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, but the rear is definitely a lot deeper than the fronts. So this is a 15x8 with 4.5-inch back spacing. You know, the most common specs to run on these cars. And my rear tires are 275/60 15s. So this will change it up again. The center caps are in here. They're just like a brushed stainless steel look. So I might even get some chrome ones or something to match a little better. But yeah, very happy with how these look. And I can't wait to get them on the car again. Have the Pro Stars back, because I miss that look. So here's a little comparison. So here's the front, and there's the rear. So rear's definitely got the deeper dish, which is exactly what I wanted. So this will look really good. Okay, and there's the wheels on. So I got them all installed. I didn't show the other wheels, I already sold them and everything, like the day after I put these on, so they sold quick. But there's the 7s in the front, and there's the 8s in the back. A little dirty right now, I was just driving the car, but they definitely look good. They fit really good. So I'm happy with them. Looks just like how it did years ago when it had the same wheels on it, but now it's just the 8s in the back instead of the 10s, so it just doesn't stick out and just fits a lot better and drives a lot better like this. So